Hey everyone! If you're a travel enthusiast always on the lookout for the next hidden gem, let me introduce you to Udalguri, Assam. Trust me, this place is going to blow your mind. First off, Udalguri isn't your typical tourist spot. It's a serene, off-the-beaten-path destination that's still relatively untouched by mass tourism. Imagine lush green tea gardens, rolling hills and vibrant local culture. Sounds like paradise, right? One of the must-visit places here is Bhairabkunda. This is where three rivers, the Jampani, the Bhairabi and the Dhansiri, come together. It's an absolutely picturesque location, perfect for camping and picnics. Plus, if you're into bird watching, you'll be thrilled with the diversity of avian life here. And speaking of nature, you can't miss the Orang National Park. Often called the Mini Kaziranga, this park is home to a rich array of wildlife, including the majestic one-horned rhinoceros and the Royal Bengal tiger. Imagine seeing these incredible creatures up close. It's a wildlife enthusiast's dream come true. Now, let's talk about culture. Udalguri is home to the Bodo community, and their rich traditions and festivals are a sight to behold. If you time your visit right, you might get to experience the Busagu festival, a vibrant celebration of the Bodo New Year with traditional music, dance and food. Trust me, the energy is infectious, and don't forget to explore the local tea estates. Assam is famous for its tea, and visiting a tea garden here gives you a chance to see the entire process from leaf to cup. Plus, you can sample some of the freshest, most flavorful tea you'll ever taste. Accommodation? Don't worry, Udalguri has a range of options from cozy homestays to comfortable lodges that offer warm hospitality and delicious local cuisine. So, whether you're a nature lover, a wildlife enthusiast, or a culture vulture, Udalguri, Assam has something for everyone. It's the perfect destination to disconnect from the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature and yourself. Pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Udalguri is waiting for you. Safe travels, everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in the next one.